As you can see, okay, the CarPlay is working. Recording, testing. Let me tell you what happened here, guys. Okay, the Cardo Edge, this one is connected to mine. This is the Cardo Edge Dual, the Pack Torque Dual. Okay, the remote control was interfering with the previous Motovlogging. One thing is that. The second thing is the voice was keep breaking up. All right, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So hopefully this is going to be. Let's put some more background noise for the dual audio. I'm going to put it here. Okay, I'm recording with a wind reduction strong. So what happened is everything was like a mess, right? Bluetooth here, Bluetooth there, the CarPlay, everything. And it didn't work good, no. All right. So today I'm doing testing all day long. What I did was I disconnect completely the Cardo Edge from my phone. I delete the Bluetooth connection completely. Okay, forget it. All right. This way, I mean, I don't listen to the music anymore from the Edge because I have the CarPlay. I also connect the CarPlay on my phone. That's a Pro Max 14. Okay, let me continue playing that sound so you can see what's going on. So I connect that. Then I went, before I did everything, I went to the Insta app and I connect the remote control. Okay, now if you want to upgrade, and I upgrade the firmware on the remote today. All right, and it is working. As you can see, the remote is working. Okay, but how are you going to do that? If you want to upgrade the firmware on the remote, you have to disconnect it from the Insta360 X5. All right, you have to disconnect it completely. Otherwise, you're not going to find the remote. Then the remote, it will automatically, or you can do it manually inside the app, the Insta app, and upgrade it. All right, then you have to disconnect everything again from your phone. This is what I did. I mean, it's not like something. It's everything is new to me. So I disconnect everything from my phone, the Insta app and the Cardo app. All right, and I forget the Wi-Fi connected my phone to the Cardo Edge. So the Cardo Edge, I can hear my wife. All right, my wife can hear me right now perfectly. Okay, I can hear it very good, and everything it works perfect. All right. So the Insta is recording my voice. I'm gonna go out so we can see it. Hopefully it's recording the dual audio. I'm sure it does. Maybe it's a little bit low. And I'm outside right now. I'm on the bike and going around. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm coming back. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. All right. So I'm gonna take a break and I come back to tell you what else is happening. But this is it. You disconnect completely these two. You turn off. You forget the connections from the phone, and you have the Insta connected directly into the headset. 1 2 1 2. I can see the green line going up, so it's recording my voice, and I can hear the remote is working. It's very important, the remote, for me, because the Insta is like up there. I can reach it on the bike. Okay, I can hear the second Cardo right here. I can hear it. If you do something like that, you can hear the scratch. All right, scratching. Now I'm going outside with you right here, and we can see the CarPlay working fine right here, if you can see it. Okay, the music is playing. All right, the map is working. So the CarPlay, just turn off the music for the YouTube. So let me lower the high beams. All right, so the bike is working. The phone is here, the CarPlay is activated, and everything works good, I think. I'm gonna do a test ride, of course, but this is how it is right now. Let me close the door to avoid the outside noise. So I have put it on dual audio. The dual audio, what it does is, I confused in the beginning of my previous video, and I have discovered that there is two mics in there. The one is recording your voice from here, okay? And the other one is recording the outside voice, like the motorcycle sound and stuff. I'm gonna put a couple of clips so you can see how it works. All right, guys, this is the Insta360 app. Then I have edited the videos, so you can see here. And on the right side, you can see here, I'm adjusting the camera volume or the headset. You can see it is 50-50. And you can do, this is the dual audio. Also, you can do fade in and fade out. That's on the Insta360 app. Okay, also you can calibrate. I just press the calibrate button so you can see how it's calibrating the volumes and stuff. Also, you can use the denoise. If you have a lot of wind, you can use voice focus and denoise, or reduce the wind noise with the denoise there. All right. So this is how the dual audio works. But right now it's working excellent. And let me turn on the head gestures. So if I do that, okay, so I turn off the camera right now, it works. I don't know if it's going to work on the bike. That's why I have the remote control on my mount. This is where I put the Insta right here. Okay, so let me repeat to you what I did so you don't get confused. From my phone, I forget all the Bluetooth, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections to the Edge completely. So the Edge is independent now. It works front and rear and direct to the camera. Okay, this is what it is. That's it. The remote control is connected as before to the camera, but you have to update the firmware to work with the Insta by 5.2. Okay, and the third is you have to forget all to upgrade the firmware on this one. You have to disconnect it from the camera completely, then open the Insta app on your phone, and it will upgrade the firmware. You just go to settings and look for the remote control. This is what I did, and you know, the thing works fine. So let me turn it off from here, and I'm gonna put a couple of clips and put your comments there. Let me know what you think. But the next thing, it will be a test ride. I'm gonna do one more test with the bike running. As you can see, okay, the CarPlay is working. The phone is over there. All right. The bike is running, and I think it's recording my voice fine, okay? I can hear the other Bluetooth, of course. Yes, I'm connected, so I can hear my passenger, okay, the pillion, and I can control it from the remote, all right? And dual audio is on, but you only can use dual audio when you record 8K and 30 frames, I think. Okay, you cannot use any other features when you record dual audio. It's not working. I tried with 7K. So the the dual video that he does, the Insta one is there. Yes, there is a setting. You can actually have a flat video, and you can have a regular 360 video at the same time. This setting is not working with the dual mic recording, okay, the dual audio. All right, so this is how everything works, and hopefully I'm gonna go to the computer so I can upload this video so you can see it, because I think it's important. People searching around, it took me a whole day to figure out the whole thing. The next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect again, maybe the phone, so I can receive phone calls. You have to really go one step at a time. All right. If any one of you has recorded with the phone and everything on, and the voice is not breaking up, because that's the problem. The voice is breaking up, and sometimes the voice is not recording at all. I'm gonna put a couple of clips from our last weekend amazing ride. You should go see it. I'm gonna upload it soon. And I was talking to nobody. Just my wife was listening to me. Okay. It's recording. It's recording. It's recording. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The CarPlay is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. The CarPlay is on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. The phone is right here. The CarPlay and the map is working. Everything is working. The remote control is working. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm just doing another test. Okay, I just changed the setting to voice enhancement. So I got the keys here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The CarPlay is on. I just start the bike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, about 2000 RPM. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Not stop talking. I try not to stop talking, so maybe the interference is something else. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything works right now. Everything, the display, the CarPlay, everything is on. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and let's see. The next thing will be a test ride. Motovlogging, of course. Yes, thanks for watching. Waiting for your comments. Let me know if you have done any test yourself.